Hi there, tech friends! Welcome to our tutorial on integrating Clarity into your SharePoint sites to unlock powerful analytics and insights. Clarity is a cutting-edge behavioral analysis tool that helps you understand user interactions with your website. It can be installed to any site, including SharePoint. Want to know how? Let's get started. Clarity is a Microsoft tool that provides in-depth analytics and user behavior insights. Just a quick note, your organization's owner must approve the app for it to be added to your SharePoint sites. First, navigate to clarity.microsoft.com and register a free account. Next, create a Clarity project for your SharePoint environment. Make sure to capture the project ID, you'll need it in the next step. Now, let's install Clarity from the SharePoint App Store. If you need to, submit a request for approval. The next step is where the magic happens. Enable the app and add it to all sites. Then head over to the organization-wide extension page. It's right there, highlighted at the top of your screen. Finally, in the tenant-wide extensions, added the Microsoft Clarity record and paste your Clarity project ID into the component's properties. Congratulations! Your SharePoint integration with Clarity is now complete. Want to check it out? First, navigate to your Clarity project. Can you see any data coming in? Then you're all set. If you don't see anything right away, no worries. It might take up to a few hours before the data starts showing up. And that's it. You're ready to explore a wealth of analytics and insights.